Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about alkanes, the simplest type of hydrocarbons. So, what are alkanes? Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Let us write the definition for your understanding. Saturated hydrocarbons. That means they only contain a single bond between the carbon atoms. Now, let us look at the general formula that we use for the molecular formula. So, the general formula is Cn plus H2n plus 2. Your n is the number of carbon atoms. We'll be using this general formula to generate the molecular formula and the structural formula. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The hydrocarbon we'll be looking at first is methane, which is CH4. Methane, the molecular formula after substituting in this equation is CH4. And the structural formula C, since we have one carbon atom, C comes in the middle, surrounded by four hydrogen atoms, since there are four hydrogens here in this formula. I hope this was clear. This is the first one containing one carbon atom. Next, we move to ethane. Ethane has two carbon atoms, C2, which is two carbon atoms, plus 6H. You substitute in the formula, you will get this answer. Two C's surrounded by 6H, that is 3 on each side of carbon. Since one carbon has valency of 4, so it is bonded to 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon. Here as well, you will surrounded by 3 hydrogen atoms. I hope this was clear. We move on to propane, which has 3 carbon atoms, and the molecular formula is C3H8. Now, how do we draw this? Again, 3 carbon atoms surrounded by 8 H for hydrogen molecules, hydrogen atoms, sorry. Then we move to butane containing 4 carbon atoms. So the formula is C4H10. C 4 times surrounded by 10H, 10 hydrogen atoms. And the last one, sorry, not the last one, but the second last one we are looking at is pentane. Pentane has 5 carbon atoms and 12 hydrogen atoms. Hexane, which has 6 carbon atoms, C6H14. surrounded by 14 hydrogen atoms. I hope this was clear. I will write for your future reference that methane is one carbon atom, methane is two carbon atom, propane is three carbon atom, butane is four carbon atom, pentane is five carbon atom, and hexane is six carbon atoms. Students, you need to remember that a molecular formula only tells us the number of atoms. But to really see how they are arranged, we use the structural formula. In the next video, we'll explore alkenes, the molecular formula, as well as the structural formula for alkenes. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science related videos to school and board level. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.